Steph, are you having a good time there? This is Stephanie on the ab chair. Here we go.
So glad you got that.
Bryanna's a poop.
That was so fun.
Hello, Carissa.
Oh, hello.
Leslie, are you just chilling?
If you had like a penny or whatever, I could like.
Lindsay.
Go videotape Brian.
That's Richard. He's an idiot.
I just got one stuck in drywall.
What are you doing? Taking a video?
No. Richard!
No, don't bring him down here.
Me?
We're back.
No, the guy.
Is this a video?
And you no! No, I had to clean up the lens now.
I found the heat source.
Don't touch it.
Oh, it's like it's really warm.
Oh, it's still blurry, guys.
I was looking down there.
Oh, Lindsay, stop touching it.
That's Paul. Right, Paul? Ew, Richard! Stop blowing on it, you blower.
Yeah. I can't help it.
What's happening here?
We're just chilling.
Who's staying the night?
Brian, what would you like to say?
No, get him off the camera. It's blinding everyone.
I'd like to say happy Guy Fawkes night.
Oh, thank you, Brian. Thank you, Brian.
And I hope when your braces come off,
Oh my
it's going to be a wonderful day.
It will be a wonderful
It's
day.
plastic.
This is us piecing out. Jess, are we piecing? Are we piecing?
Peace.
We're all piecing. Peace!
Peace.
Right, Carissa? Peace, right, Steph?
Peace. Peas and broccoli.
Stupid.
Peace and broccoli.